water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Like you. Yes, ma'am.
Look at it, it's upside down.
So cute.
Steam room and the pool.
Oh my god, look at them. Hi guys. What do you want from daddy?
Hey.
My lips have been really dry recently, so I've been using this Vaseline. Yesterday night, I had some friends over and we played a couple games and we were just having hot pot. It was really fun. That was like a really wholesome night. And now I'm a little hungover, which I never used to get hungover. Like, that was not a thing for me. But recently I've been getting hungover and I don't know why. I think it's because I'm getting older. So yesterday my friend Chloe gave me some matcha, which is so sweet of her. She didn't even need to get this. It just looks like this. Oh no! What's in your hand? Oh no! No! Why? Baby! Did you guys see that? Take two. Is that too much powder? I think I went a bit too crazy. I haven't made this right, clearly. Hi guys, looking for food? Cat baby 1. Cat's baby 2. Meow. This is Mittens. She's such a crybaby. She also has the biggest, roundest pot belly ever. Hi, so beautiful. Hi Nuggles. She's my little feline. This is the tree that I got them. They love it. Nuggles loves the hammock. I know you guys are gonna ask me where this is from, so I shall link it down below. So I'm currently getting some work done before our date night tonight. I want to introduce Identity, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And we're going to show you guys how you can stay organized and save time. So Identity is my home screen for the internet, and I've got all my important websites organized into tiles. So similar to the apps on my phone, I've created categories for work, school, life, socials, and you can add so much more. And when I click on my tiles, the Chrome extension automatically opens. So it'll fill in my username and my password, which is super convenient. So right here you can see I have Pinterest that I've just pulled up, and then on the right they have a notes feature where I like to keep all of my to-do lists, like grocery shopping. I have cat appointments because I have a lot of cat appointments for my baby cats, and also my own doctor appointments because these are important dates, which I always forget, and a bunch of other random notes. So you can add whatever you want, customize it to your needs. Identity is completely free to sign up, so I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys, and I definitely recommend checking it out, guys. You can save some time and get organized. I closed all the blinds because it got really hot all of a sudden, but I'm going to continue my work, and then date night will start after.
Any bakeries?
Hopefully. Oh no.
What?
No,
Good ones. Stop. Paparazzi. Get out. You need permission to use my footage.
Just have one question though.
What?
Come with me to the bakery, please.
No.
Why? Please?
No. Yeah.
You're so mean.
Why?
Don't come to the bakery with me.
What? You just want me to drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? What?
The cats are sleeping inside of the bag.
Together.
Yeah.
Which bag?
The blue bag. What are you guys doing? Is there sourdough bread?
Huh?
They have sourdough? Oh, they have sourdough.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sourdough. What else are you getting at?
I reckon. Yeah, do you want one?
This way, yeah.
Yeah.
Just get the two top, the two layers.
What is this texture? Actually, I'll make some spam fried rice again.
Really? Okay. I'm easy. If you really want to eat something,
No, I want to spam fried rice.
What am I? Oh, I'm looking at these books.
Oh, you like those ones, hey?
Yeah, those.
Decoration. Oh shit. Yeah, this is really good, the truffle.
Yummy.
Yeah.
I like truffle a lot. Clint and I are talking about how much we love our apartment. It's just so good. Like,
Orientation of the apartment's really good.
yeah, like the apartment, I don't know, it's just, if you look at it, everything just works so perfectly. It's so warm in here.
Mm-hmm.
There's like the perfect balance of like hardwood floors, carpet, just enough space for everything. It's not too much space. This is the truffle / olive oil we use.
Probably get better quality salt. Gotta mix it first. Shit.
Mmm.
Maybe we should have got more. But
Not bad.
we should have.
I know.
Oops.
That's okay, that's good. Yeah, I think so. I want to go to dry food. She cries so loud. Oh my god, look at her. She's like, food.
Yeah. This one?
Always crying, huh? Nubbles is like, what are you doing? Nubbles is trying to steal Mitten's food. Always stealing. Ugh. I have some orders to fulfill. Print shipping label. My satchels are all compostable, which is amazing. I love stickers. I'm gonna change my sweater. Look who we have here. Hi. They actually love this tree, guys. Look at them. Look at them play. Okay, just a moment, guys. Ah! Why is everyone trying to leave? What? I'm gonna heat up some breakfast. I'm eating leftover soup and whatever else I find. Okay. Let's go. I recently rediscovered what sugar plums were.
Look at her hiding.
Are you bullying our cat?
Chasing her afterwards.
She's like, no.
Hello.
What happened here?
That's John.
I thought she did that. I was
Do you want
like,
a tunnel?
what?
Tunnel, come in here.
Clint and I used to not be cat people. We like didn't even like cats. Like I've never even thought about having a cat. Maybe like one time when I went to like the pet store, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. But then now, Guys, I love cats. We're like looking after / fostering Clint's mom's cat that she got recently, like maybe beginning of this year sometime. And then I was like, like I love cats now, and now I have my own cat babies. I love them even more because I got to like find them. I have 2 ragdolls, by the way. They're like a 3/4 ragdoll, and then one of them is half ragdoll. I feel like I could have 5 cats. It's just because like cats are so easy to look after. Like now I'm like, I want more. Oh my god, look at them. Fighting with daddy? No. Sleeping in your little hut? Ooh. This is my favorite chicken soup. Everyone was asking where my cat tree is from.
Really?
On Instagram, yeah.
Oh shit, my balls are out in the video.
What the? I need to cover that up.
I thought it was like a brand that just like directly supplied to Kogan.
So were you like a friend of Rick's? Were you?
You got another one, okay?
Where are you at?
Oh, she pooed.
Where?
Look. She pooed somewhere.
What? Why? Our cat always poos everywhere because I think she has a stomach ache and I don't know how to fix it. We've taken her to the vet, don't worry, but like she's just... Ew!
Yeah, you stepped in it. But where is it?
Ew.
Wait, so is she pooing? No, where did she poo that? Oh, was that all her poo she pooed there?
I don't know. Ew.
Mongo Sakaguchi.
Yeah.
Stranger than I am. Here, this should cover the kids for the time being. Sure you don't want me to...
Oh wait, these are dirty. I just brought this out for no reason. Honey, I'm closing the door. Meowing. Meowing. She's hungry. They're both hungry. They always come here when they're hungry. You hungry, baby? Is hungry? Yeah. Okay, let me open this fridge. They know their food's in here. Meow, I know. I know, Mom's got food for you guys. Oh my god, they're meowing so hard. She cries so hard. I know. I know. Okay. This is Mitten's food because she eats super duper fast, and also she always eats in like massive bites, so she's very not patient. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. One sec. Oh my god. I'm gonna fight for the food. Nibbles! Nibbles! Nibbles here! Look how fast she eats. A lot more graceful.